Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Hi. I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing great.
Yeah, all good. So, what have you been up to since our last lesson?
I was sick and I was enjoying watching Netflix and Amazon
Ah,
Prime and Hotstar. I've been watching movies only.
okay. Are you feeling better now?
Yes,
Yeah, good. Glad to hear it. So, today I thought we could talk a little bit about travel, if that's okay.
uh, I have never traveled to any other places.
Okay, well, we could talk about travel within your own country,
Yep,
if that's
that's
okay.
fine.
Yeah. So it doesn't really need to be going to any different countries. We can talk about ways we relax. It doesn't matter if we're not going very far away.
Okay, nice.
Okay, so I'll put some verbs up on the screen
Mm-hmm.
that we can have a look at. But before I do that, my first question is if you could go anywhere in the world, where would you like to go and why? Yeah,
Vocab,
so
verbs. Yes.
yeah, don't worry about that yet. First, we're just going to discuss if you could choose to go anywhere in the world, where would you pick to go and why?
USA.
Okay. Why the USA?
I love this country.
Yeah.
I love the
So
people.
what? Yeah. So what specifically would you like to do in the USA?
Basically, I would love to go to USA because I have seen so many movies and people are very nice, people are very supportive, they're honest, especially senior citizens because our my so many clients are senior citizens and they're amazing. Their personality, like talking, they're very honest, in the terms of when they do business with us. I love this
Yeah.
country because it's open to so many people, like
Yeah.
they welcome so many nation and nationalities in their
Yeah.
in their country. They allow everyone. They there is no any racism. Earlier it was, and politically and for the job purpose, for the business people, it's a great place to work. It's a developed
Yeah.
country, and I love to visit once in my life because I want to explore USA as I see in the movies. So
Yeah.
many countries, so many states. There are 52 states are there in USA, and there are four time zone. So so overall, if I get a chance, I will be visiting once in my life.
Good choice. I didn't realize that there were 4 time zones in the US.
Four time zones, yeah. EST, PST,
Wow.
Eastern Standard Time, Pacific Standard Time, Central Standard Time, and Mountain Standard Time. There are four time zone.
Interesting. You taught me something new today.
Okay.
Okay, the next question. What is your best travel story? Like I said, it doesn't have to be in a different country. It could just be a time when you've gone and had a little vacation.
Should I talk about my journey when I started working and when I shifted from my hometown to New Delhi?
So if you want, yeah, whatever you think would be interesting.
Because this
when
journey
you've
has
travelled.
taught me many things. That's why.
Yeah, yeah, go.
2012, when I finished my college and when I was told my parents that you should start doing job. So I traveled from my hometown to New Delhi. It was my first journey doing a business and doing job. It was full of challenges. There was no one in Delhi who could support me, who could help me. Nobody's there who could guide me what to do. Only within me, it was my talent, my skills.
Yeah. So what do you think was the most difficult part of that?
Difficult part was to survive all alone in this unknown cities, full of crowd, full of challenging, full of the new people, and the life is so busy here as compared
Yeah.
to a village, especially.
Yeah, I can imagine completely different in
Yes,
life pace.
yes. So
Good.
it was full of challenging, I can say, and it was a time when we did not have much more knowledge about YouTube because these were not so famous at the time. No TikTok,
Yeah.
only email was there. I used to read newspapers to find the job vacancies, and that's how I got a first job. And job was $200 job for the month, and I started. That was the same US process, and I had to deal with the clients from the USA digital marketing same company. Since beginning, I'm in the same process, so it's quite not it's quite familiar to me how this works, and that's why I started my own business. So I had to work for the 5 years, then after I started by my own. So the first journey was full of challenging, travel from my hometown to here and work for the company. So otherwise from this, I had took a break for a small moment, like 2 or 3 days. I traveled Rajasthan, I traveled Lucknow, and small cities, but that was for the vacation, and it was not like full of challenging. The thing which made me ambitious and enlightened me, that is the Delhi, which gave me the confidence and everything I am right now, just because of the first travel which I made from my hometown to Delhi.
Yeah. It sounds like that journey really helped to develop you as a person.
Yep.
Yeah. Good. Okay, so we're going to look at a few verbs. We're not going to do them all because I don't know if we'll have time or not today. But out of these, which are you familiar with the meaning of, and which of them are new to you?
Get in, I know. Drop off, I know. See off, I know. Put off something, I don't know. Wander, I know. Unwind, I know little.
Okay, grand. So we'll start from... Let's go with put off something. Put off something. So lately I have been putting off tidying the house. So what do you think it means when I say I've been putting off tidying up my house?
I'm sorry, I didn't get that.
Yeah, so lately I have been putting off tidying. What do you think that could mean?
I don't understand this.
Okay, so I really need to tidy my house. But every day I think, I don't want to do it. Later.
Procrastinate.
Yeah, very similar to procrastinate.
Okay.
So putting off something, we keep delaying it.
Yes.
We keep delaying it. But we could also say this for travel and plans. For example, because of COVID, I had to put off 2 journeys that I had planned.
Okay.
So have you had to put off anything because of COVID?
Yes. In our last conversation, I believe I said that. It was Saudi Arabia and the USA, but I applied for the US visa. It was declined. It did not approve. Second, I postponed the Saudi Arabia trip because of the COVID situation. So after the COVID situation ended, I still didn't get the time to go there. But yes, within a year, I will be planning and to go there.
Yeah, good. Well, fingers crossed that it's all easy sailing this time.
Yes.
It's all okay. Okay, now unwind. You said you knew this a little bit. What do you think it could mean?
Just forgot. Basically, if you add the sentences, then I will come to know what could be.
Yeah. Okay, so for me, the best way to unwind is to do yoga and listen to calming music.
Okay. Unwind means like reducing the distress.
Yes. Yeah.
Right.
So very, very similar to relax.
Okay.
Is in, if you imagine somebody wound up, they've got all this tension, and then they unwind.
Yes.
So how do you unwind after a long day at work?
I just sleep.
Yeah. Anything else, or just sleep?
No, I just sleep.
Okay.
When I get tired, I just go and sleep. Nothing else. No music, no yoga.
Nothing to relax you?
No, I don't apply this.
Okay. So you just sleep and you wake up less stressed.
Yes. When I sleep. Yeah. And because, see, I have been habitual of fighting with this stress and distress and sorrow and pain. All these are not new to me. it has been old in the process in my journey. I've been facing so many challenges every day. Every day I have to use my skills and talent to solve those problems. So anything that distress or whatever we can say is sorrow or pain, all are completely old to me. It's not new to me. So I made myself in the habitual of to face these kind of challenges and solve all these problems, whatever is arising, I don't need to depend on the music, or I don't need to depend on the yoga to reduce my stresses. No, once I solve the problems, the stress automatically, goes away.
I understand. You've got a stronger mindset than I do. I need my music and relaxation. Okay. Which other one would you like me to go over the meaning of in our last 3 minutes?
Last 3 minutes, we can just do the general talking.
Okay, no problem.
Yes.
So, in terms of going to the US, when you were to go to the US, would you be doing business there? Or
First,
just
remove the
traveling?
screen, this one.
Yeah.
Because, now it's okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
So, when you go to the US, are you going to just be traveling for fun or for business?
It would be kind of a mix. But first, I'm not sure whether the US will issue a visa to me, because in the first place, I was declined. So it could be a kind of hard and, a kind of maybe they could issue a visa. If in case they issue a visa to me, I would be just going to Las Vegas and California. These two places I have chosen. I have just made up in my mind. And yes, and if I get more chance, I will go to Miami, Florida, to the beaches.
Nice. Okay.
And also I will get some bank account open. So it would be kind of the mix up. And I'm not sure whether they would open a bank account, because if you go on the tourist visa, they will ask so many questions. They are very strict in these kind of things.
Yeah, I'm not sure about the legislation.
Yes.
When it comes to opening a bank account in the US. So California, Las Vegas, Miami.
Yes.
And I can't remember where else. So what is the main thing that you want to do in Las Vegas?
Las Vegas is full of the fun. Like, people go there and have lots of fun. There are lots of, dancing and sing, whatever I see in the movies. I'm just telling you, I have never been to that place, but Las Vegas is a state where you can enjoy yourself and have fun.
Yeah, absolutely. So you've seen it on TV, and now you want to go and see if it's really like that.
Yeah, Las Vegas.
Nice. I went when I was very, very young, so I cannot remember any of it.
So you have been to US?
Yeah, but I was like 3 years old, so
okay.
I can't remember. Okay, we're almost out of time.
Yes.
I will send you a copy of what we looked at earlier, and I'll send you with the definitions if you're interested in having a look at them afterwards.
Yeah, sure. That would be fine.
No problem. I'll send you a message after this.
All right. Thank you, Rachel, for joining me.
Nope.
You have a good one.
Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah, you too. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.
Bye.